Hi friends, this is Anil Duseja, design educator. Today I am teaching you how to create fashion illustration. Hi friends, this is Anil Duseja, design educator. Today I am teaching you how to create fashion illustrations for portfolio preparation for foreign universities or Indian entrance exam preparations for colleges. So first of all, need to tell you, have a good command at basics, basic forms, basic shapes, 1D, 2D, 3D, like parallelogram, oval, circle, and trapezoid, trapezium, square, circles. Every shape and form is required to create or design anything. Especially now we are doing fashion illustration on that basis only. Have a look at on this image. I have created a mannequin on the basis of these basic shapes on 9 head figure. Now from left to right, I am creating a dummy, putting a dress over it, right? Going from geometrical to form to create illustration. Now from right to left, see I'm changing the address from shorts to the denim and top, and now from left to right again from denim to mini skirt. So this is how, if you're good at creating basics, you are able to create good illustrations. Now let's dress it up all. So on, if you're, again I'm repeating, if you're good at creating mannequins or fashion croquis, fashion illustrations, then it is easier for you to create dresses and illustrations on these figures. Now look at dress 1, dress 2, and dress 3 is now coming. So this is what we are teaching in fashion illustration course, which is very helpful. This is a part of our course. Thank you.